150th year birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda ji, and thereafter we have got sanction of this center. So we are very lucky that we have got the permission from UGC to start this study center, and we have been assisted by UGC. So this is what the background of this Swami Vivekananda Study Center of our college. So it has been assisted by UGC. So I am thankful to UGC for that. And UGC has its own model of this epoch thinkers center, that how to conduct the programs. And in this they have again given the instructions and objective that whoever may be the epoch thinker, his classes means right from Swami Vivekananda Study Center we have an advisory committee. In advisory committee we plan everything, and already we have a certificate course of Swami Vivekananda studies in our college, and every weekend on Saturday and Sunday we what we call invite different special guests or that is renowned speaker, and we deliver the lectures and we complete the course as per the content, and that course has been approved by university and even it has been sent to UGC too. And that after completing the course an examination is conducted, and thereafter that certificate is also what we call awarded to the students. So this conference, tomorrow we have also one workshop for students, is a part and parcel of this activity. Along with that, we feel that this Swami Vivekananda Study Center should impart the philosophy of Vivekananda ji to the wide society. And we have the MOUs with Ramakrishna Mission. Thereafter we have Swami Vivekananda Kendra. Thereafter Nehru Yuva Kendra. With all these people, we do so many joint ventures. We go on making what we call different programs, arranging different programs. Particularly from 12th of the January to 19th of January, Yuva Saptah. It has been organized in coordination with Nehru Yuva Kendra and different organizations. So this is what the work of Swami Vivekananda Study Center is in our premises, and not only in premises, we are trying to just percolate the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda ji in the society. And this is my prime duty, being the principal and the director of this center, that everybody should know it, that how this has come into the existence. Already in the blend with the philosophy and objectives or values of our society, that is nationality, honesty, transparency, adherence to rule and cleanliness, we find it very comfortable that this philosophy we can percolate to the society. And this conference is also a part and parcel of this whole activity. On this occasion, I would like to welcome all the delegates who have contributed by registering their name and sending their papers, and they will in course of time deliver their speech. But before that, I would like to thank the people who have come over here to bless with their philosophy or to impart the knowledge about Swami Vivekananda to we people, particularly Sri Pathakji, who has come from Dhule by sparing his valuable time to talk with us, to give us keynote address. Also Sri Prakashji Uppal, Sri Principal Ram Deshmukh sir, and so many dignitaries, some Swamijis to come after some time. So they will deliver their speeches. Thereafter, we have so many papers. So many delegates will what we call deliver their papers over here. So I welcome all these dignitaries, delegates, students, media person, reporters in our premises and appeal that to make most out of it, and that in that way we will be very happy without taking much more time, because we will have to listen so many people who are here. I once again wish all the best to this conference. Thank you very much.